classes of
with,
okay.
with, with,
With. So I'm
with,
still seeing this. No. Can you
with,
make with? Let me see a
with.
relaxed mouth like this.
Mm-hmm,
This relaxed mouth. And
mm-hmm,
then
mm-hmm.
that
With,
small. Make it
with,
that small.
mm-hmm, with,
That's
with,
it. With.
mm-hmm, with,
With.
mm-hmm.
Uh, with some.
Some,
More
some,
some,
some.
some
Mm-hmm.
ideas.
Ideas.
Good. And careful with the next word. For. So
For,
we're not making the R. Oh, that was good. Yeah,
for,
we're just going faux.
for,
Jaw
mm,
relaxes up.
for,
For
mm-hmm.
invoices.
Invoices.
Good. Let me see more of a relaxed mouth because I'm
Mm-hmm.
still seeing this. We don't want this, huh?
Invoices.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Invoices. Invoices.
Invoices. Invoices.
Perfect. Perfect. Fantastic. All right.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay. So let's put it together very slow.